All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, buying it, watching it, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Today, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. Take a look, everybody. I'm wearing my Shiba Inu shirt. It's going to the moon. So Shiba's going to the moon. And the funny thing is, I just love that you start seeing stuff is, oh, is this coin the new Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu, the Dogecoin killer. I mean, now all of a sudden there's Shiba Inu is passing Dogecoin, or it's right next to Dogecoin. All kinds of crazy, great news about Shiba Inu. Do me a favor, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. My goal here on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day maybe even own some cryptocurrency. This one, Shiba Inu, a lot of good stuff's going on with Shiba Inu. So let's go ahead and head over to Shiba Inu. All right, over here at Coin Market. So we used to do the top 10 and stuff. Now take a look at this. Shiba Inu is at number 9. Dogecoin is at number 10. And not only that, Shiba Inu is up 88% in the last 7 days. It's up 12% in the last 24 hours. And Dogecoin, 1% down, 1% up. It is 27 cents for the Dogecoin, but just seeing the Shiba Inu above the Dogecoin. What do you think about that? We've been talking about it. I remember when the Shiba Inu was in the 30s and 40s and it broke down to the 20s. Now it's ahead of Dogecoin. Shiba Inu. All right, back over here at Coin Market. The coin is up 12% in the last 24 hours. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. I was covering this when there was 8 zeros, and they were crushed in the 7, and then they were crushed in the 6. There's 4 zeros now. So 4 zeros, 72.86. This coin has been going up, up, up. Lots of good things going on with Shiba Inu. So over here, I took the last month to say, hey, what has Shiba Inu been doing in the last month? Now take a look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this upkick in the last month. Let's go to the last 7 days. Yeah, the last 7 days, it decided to go up a mountain and kind of stay right there. This coin is up again, just doing fantastic. Now, there's a lot of things I like to go over. Click in the holders. Click in the 3 months. So take a look at this. 3 months ago in August, there were 611,000 holders of the Shiba Inu. 611,000. In the last 3 months, now there's 872,000 from 611. So that's what, about a 40% uptick? Half of 6 is 3, that'd be 9. Yeah, it's about 45%. There's 45% more holders of Shiba Inu in the last 90 days than basically before. Now, that's a lot being up, but 872,000 holders of the Shiba in comparison to AMP token, only like 47,000. So this is amazing, everybody. So on Coin Market, what does Coin Market say? What is Shiba Inu? Well, once upon a time, there was a very special dog. The dog was a Shiba Inu. And this dog inspired millions of people around the world to invest its money into tokens with the dog image on it. According to the Shiba Inu website, Shiba is the Dogecoin killer. And it will be listed on the Shiba Swap and the Decentral Exchange. Shiba Inu coin was created in August of 2020. The meme coin quickly gained speed and value on the community of investors and was drawn to a cute charm of the coin paired the headlines and tweets from Elon Musk. Shiba Inu aimed to be Ethereum's base counterpart to Dogecoin script-based mining algorithm. Shiba Inu and the Shiba token is part of the swamp of dog-themed cryptos, including Baby Dogecoin, just to name a few. Let's go ahead and head over to Shiba Inu's website. Now, again, Shiba Inu in the last 7 days is up about 88%, so that's super awesome. Here we're at the website of the Shiba token, a decentralized meme token that involves into a vibrant ecosystem. The Shiba, the leash, the bone, the Shiba swap, reward system. Here we go. Couple things. The Shiba. The Shiba Inu token and the foundation currency that allows investors to hold millions and billions and even trillions of it in their wallet. Between the international recognition and its legitimacy utility, Shiba is up thousands of times and consistently expanding its reach. Shiba is the first to be listed and centralized on Shiba Swap and the property DEX. Leash was originally set to be rebase token, but then we removed the rebase and unleashed the full potential. With a total supply of only 107,646 tokens, it represents the other end of the ecosystem spectrum. Leash is a second token incentive on the Shiba Swap and will offer lucrative rewards for holders providing liquidity. Bone has 250 million tokens, and it is designed to fit perfectly between the previous two tokens in regards to circulation supply. Moreover, the token is a governance token which will allow the Shiba army to vote on upcoming proposals and on the DAO. Buy the bone, buy the leash, buy the SHIB. How to buy? SHIB and leash are best purchased and sold through Shiba Swap, but can also be found on Uniswap and even growing listings on CEX. Please note that outside of Shiba Swap exchanges, which support one of the not support the others, incentivize the use of DEX. It chooses to utilize the CEX instead. Remember to research it first to ensure that both safe and secure. Take a look at the Shiba going around and around, and notice this is probably like going to the moon because you got a little space helmet. So the helmet represents we're in space. Pretty cool. Here's a couple things. Quick start guide. Create a MetaMask wallet. Basically says create a MetaMask wallet. 2, send ETH to your wallet. You can buy Ethereum directly in MetaMask or transfer it from your MetaMask wallet. Connect your wallet to Shiba Swap, and then swap your Ethereum for Shiba, Leash, or Bone. You can start swapping as soon as you have Ethereum available. Please select the token, then enter the token address to search for the token list. Here we are at the Shiba Swap. Shiba, Leash, and Bone come together to create Shiba Swap, the next evolution in DeFi platform. Shiba Swap gives users the ability to dig, provide liquidity, bury, which is staking the coin. There's good money in staking, and swap tokens to gain returns through our sophisticated and innovative passive income reward system. Our platform allows the SHIB army to access upcoming NFTs and additional tools such as portfolio trackers to make navigating the crypto world simple and very easy. So Shiba Inu going to the moon. Hey, so do me a favor, down in the comments, tell me what you think of Shiba Inu. Did you get in when there was 8 zeros? Did you get in when there were 7 zeros? Did you get in when there were 6 zeros? We've been talking about this for a while. So, hey, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We love to share this information. Everything is educational purposes only. All right, let's take a look at this over here. Will Jeff Bezos get SHIB into 10 cents? Shiba, which will be known as the Dogecoin killer, might be looking forward to partnership with who? With who? Amazon. Don't you just love the way that, Shiba Inu, Amazon, AM token, when you watch my videos, Amazon. Yeah, everybody, take a look at this. Shiba Inu and Amazon. What are we talking about? Shiba Inu, the new Dogecoin-inspired cryptocurrency that was founded last August, is now planning a partnership with Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce website, which Shiba Inu investors will benefit greatly from. The Shiba Inu visibility is increasing as a result of the announcement, and the prospective purchases have more options. Here's another thing right here, CBNC here. Remember the Dogecoin, a rival meme token, just hit a record high and is close to overtaking? Well, take a look at this. Shiba Inu has surged 30% in the last 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. With a market cap of 29 billion, Shiba is now the 11th largest cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu is also so-called and is billed as the Dogecoin killer. That's just kind of silly, I guess. But they did take it over. Take a look. Number 9, Shiba Inu. Take a look. Number 10, Dogecoin. Take a real good look here. Number 9, Shiba Inu is actually ahead of the Dogecoin. That's right, everybody. So what's my prediction? Well, again, remember all information is for educational purposes only. I think we're going to crush another zero. I mean, we've been crushing zeros. Things are going up. Amazon may be partnering or doing something with Shiba Inu. I know that they got 4 tokens that they're thinking about. AM token's one of them. Maddox one of them. HOKK is one of them. And Shiba Inu is one of them. So what's going on with Amazon? That's supposed to happen in the first quarter of next year. If all these increases with Shiba keep going up and up and up, and the major things hasn't even happened yet, holy, what's going to happen here? Don't forget to share this video with your friends, all kinds of good information. So Shiba Inu, I mean, did you get a little bit of it way back when there was 8 zeros and 7 zeros? Give us the comments in the bottom there. And over here at Robinhood, and yeah, will Robinhood ever decide to let Shiba Inu be on their platform? Is that going to happen? We know if Robinhood gets Shiba Inu on the platform, that coin's just going to all kinds of other good things. But over here at Robinhood, Bitcoin's over $60,000. I wanted to show you that. So Bitcoin's way up. And Ethereum's at 42.25. Remember how easy it is to use the 3 months, what it was doing? 3 months ago, Ethereum was 2,500. Today, Ethereum is at 4,200. So again, Robinhood, and they talk about Robinhood bringing Shiba Inu on. Also, I remember when the price went up, it was Robinhood that was buying the Shiba Inu to put the things in reserves. So later on, if it did launch, they would have it in reserves, and all of a sudden the token went up. So all kinds of things. Will Robinhood bring on Shiba Inu? Will Amazon bring on Shiba Inu? How does it sound, the big names with the coin? I mean, Elon Musk loves the Shiba Inu. So, I mean, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. Monday through Friday, we bring you video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we bring you something around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And once in a while, we bring you a bonus video. This happens to be one of those bonus videos because Shiba Inu has just been going awesome. So, everybody, you have a great Monday today. Talk to you later.